In this video, I'll show you how to create a landing page in Framer. Start by signing into Framer and creating a new project. You can start with a blank canvas or choose a landing page template to speed up the process. Once you're inside the editor, create your Heroes section by adding a headline, a short description, and a call to action button. This is the first thing visitors will see, so make sure your message is clear and focused. Next, customize the design by updating the colors, fonts, and spacing to match your brand. Then add additional sections such as features, testimonials, pricing, or a contact form, depending on your goals. After that, upload your images and graphics. Replace any placeholder content with your own text and visuals. Make sure all buttons link to the correct pages, forms, or sections of your website. Now click Preview to test your landing page. Check both desktop and mobile views to ensure everything looks good and functions properly. Once you're happy with the design, open the page settings and add a title and meta description. Then click Publish and choose your Framer domain or connect a custom domain. Your landing page is now live and ready to receive visitors. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to create a landing page in Framer. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.